Scale model enthusiast or not, welcome back to this series dedicated to the Lancia 037. First of all, I want to apologize for my not so crystal clear voice, but unfortunately the cold has struck me. Nevertheless, I will try to comment on this video for you, in which we will apply the primer to the bodywork and the various parts that compose it. I start by sanding the bodywork with 400 grit sandpaper. This will help remove paint residue and improve the adhesion of the primer. I use some scraper to remove the paint still present in the hard to reach parts. Additionally, I remove the residue from the plastic joint and redefine the line of doors and openings to make them more pronounced. Of course, I also sand the plastic parts. By using the right scraper, I proceed to open the air intakes on the rear bumper. This will enhance the realism of the model and make the painting process easier for me. I will use Tamiya glue to clean up the smaller imperfection. I had no idea how to remove decals from transparent parts. I read that it can be done with acetone, but I strongly doubt it would have a nice effect on the transparent plastic. So I tried a product that I knew that theoretically wouldn't have caused any damage. I soaked the decal with microsalt from microscale. After waiting for about 10 minutes, I applied the product several times. I started removing the decals with a toothpick and they came off without too much effort. I say mission accomplished. I finally applied the primer to the bodywork. This time I opted for the Tamiya primer, as I believe it has better adhesion on metal compared to the one from Titans. I used the same primer on the plastic parts as well, to achieve a uniform color finish. After waiting for 24 hours, I'll improve the primer finish by sanding the surface with Tamiya 3000 grit abrasive sponge. After sanding all the surfaces, our model is ready to receive the final color. But unfortunately for this week I ran out of modeling time. See you next time right here in my garage to continue working on this masterpiece of Lancia. Bye bye!